Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today with another awesome recipe. So today we're gonna make some juice. So we're gonna make some beetroot juice with carrot. So we're gonna use one beetroot. I already washed this beetroot already. I already sliced it up already because be careful, the beetroot is quite stainy. So if you're cut up the beetroot, make sure you wear gloves, or when you prepare it, you wash your hands same time. So we have 3 carrots. We're gonna use half of lemon. We're going to use a piece of ginger. We're going to use some honey. Optional if you want to use the honey, or you want to use sugar, or you want to drink it without the sugar or without the honey. But it's up to you guys what you want to use. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're going to make a beetroot juice with carrot. So welcome back guys. What we're going to do now, we're just going to cut up the carrot. So I ain't going to peel the carrot. I ain't going to scrape the carrot. The carrot I already washed already. Already cut off the top of the carrot and the bottom of the carrot. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna cut up the carrot to put in the blender. So we'll blend it up. So that's gonna make some slicing, eh? So in Selvin Kitchen today we're making beetroot and carrot juice. So we're gonna use 3 carrot today, 2 large one and 1 medium sized carrot. So just gonna dice them up. So this is large carrot. Get this one away. So as I said before, it's optional if you guys want to put in sugar, you want to put in the honey, and make sure you sweeten it to your taste. Some people like it sweet, some people like it slightly sweet. So you sweeten it to your taste guys. Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make some healthy juice. So we always doing something new in Selvin Kitchen. So we're gonna use half of lemon. So this lemon I'm gonna put it in last when I already blend it up, when I already strain it and sweeten it. Then I squeeze in the lemon, and then I mix it up again. So the ginger I already washed already, so I ain't gonna scrape up the skin of the ginger. I'm gonna use everything. So cut up the ginger quite small, dice it up. Get the ginger out of the way. So I have the beetroot already. We already cut up the beetroot. And make sure if you prepare the beetroot is quite red and quite stainy. If you're using the beetroot, make sure you put on a pair of gloves, and then after you take off your gloves and you wash your hand. If you look like this, see the color of the beetroot? So I already peel it already. Cut it up. That's the beetroot like. If I rub my finger on it, see it's all red. So I'm just gonna make beetroot, ginger, and carrot. I'm gonna put in around 2.5 tablespoons of honey. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So people, please share the video with your friends and family. And if you're watching my video and you don't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell, so when I post a video you will get it, because Selvin, we're always doing something new. So guys, I just cut up the ginger and the carrot. I already prepared the beetroot already. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the beetroot first. I'm going to put the beetroot in the blender. So 1 beetroot I'm using, 1 large beetroot. And 2 large carrot with a medium-sized carrot, and I add a liter of water. So I had a liter of water. I think I'm gonna add another half liter of water, so I'm gonna use 1.5 liter of water. So guys, I just had the carrot, the beetroot, and the ginger and the water in the blender. So now we're just going to blend it up now. So if you want it thick, you can put a little bit more water in it when you juice it. If you don't want it too thick, you can add less water to it.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.
So guys, I finished blending up this beetroot drink with ginger, and oh my god guys, you want to smell this already. I'm telling you, look how thick is it. So now I'm just gonna put it in the strainer. I'm just gonna strain it off and everything like that. I'm just gonna get it done, and then if it's too thick, I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to it. And look at that. Oh my god people, this looks so delicious already. So in Selvin Kitchen, we always have something new. So what we're going to do now guys, we're going to strain it off in the big strainer first. Now after we strain it off in the big strainer, we're going to use a small strainer. So we're going to use this big strainer first, and then after I'm going to use this small strainer. So the big strainer, I get off the big heavy stuff first. I'm just going to pour out some in the big strainer. Look how thick that is people. So I poured some in the big strainer first, and then after I'm just gonna use a spoon. Just gonna squeeze it. So you squeeze it, you want to get all of that juice out of it. So this part we're leaving it strainer. We don't use this one. We just chuck this one in the bin. So let's get this one away. So you want to squeeze all that beetroot, all of that ginger, all of that carrot. You want to squeeze everything out of it. So guys, I just strain it off with a big strainer. So now I'm just going to use a small strainer to get any small bits in it and anything like that. I'm going to use a small strainer to get out everything. It looks like the big strainer did do a proper job. It's like this. We don't want this in it. When you drink it, you feel like something is stuck at your throat, so we don't want that. We'll get everything out. So now I'm just gonna add 2 spoons of honey. So that around roughly 2.5 tablespoons of honey. So you taste it to your sweetness. A lot of people don't like sugar, as I say again. A lot of people don't take sugar. A lot of people like it sweet, so sweeten it to your taste. Yes people, so this is all finished. So I'm just mix it around. I'm just gonna taste it. If I need any more honey, I can add a little bit more honey to it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hand and taste it. Yeah, I think that is okay. So now I'm just gonna add in the lemon. Where's my lemon squeezer? So I'm just gonna add in the lemon in it. So half a lemon. You can put a whole lemon in it. It's up to you if you want. You want a lot of lemon. Or if you don't have lemon, you can use lime. That's that. So I just add in the lemon. As I said before, you can use lime if you don't have lemon. Just gonna give it a taste again. Yes, people. Hi guys, this is all finished. So I used 3 carrot, 2 large carrot and 1 medium-sized carrot. I use 1 lemon if you want, it's up to you, the size of the lemon. I use 1 large beetroot. So in serving kitchen today, beetroot and carrot juice. So guys, please give me a thumbs up for this video. Please hit a notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. Oh my god people, this look yummy already. So please take care and I will see you guys in the next video. Selvin Kitchen.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay